In this video, I'll show you how you can connect ChatGPT to n8n. So it's very simple, just follow my steps. So first step is to add step in n8n. So click on this plus button and in the search bar type OpenAI. Then choose the first one, this OpenAI. And from here you can choose from these actions, like you can analyze images or generate audio. I will choose this message model. I'm gonna click on message model. Then from here, you need to select a credential. So click on credential and then create new credential. And from here, you need to paste your OpenAI API key. So how you can get this, go to openai.com, log in to your account and log into this API platform, select API platform. Then you can choose, for example, login with Google. Then in the top right corner, click on this settings button. Then from here on the left side, click on API keys under the general. And from here, click on create a new secret key. You can name your key. So for example, n8n test. You can then select project, so default. Then you can set the permissions. So I will choose all and then click create secret key. As you can see, this is your secret API key. So copy it and paste it here. Then click save. And as you can see, connection tested successfully. Now we can close this and then we can fill these other details. So second one is resource. So I'm gonna keep text. You can choose from operation message model or classify text for violation. So I'm gonna keep message model. Then you can choose model from here. So for example, I'm gonna choose this ChatGPT 4.1. Then in the here you can keep text, role user, or you can choose like assistant. And then in prompt, like for example, hello, can you help me? And then from here, click on execute step. It's showing me to check my plan and billing details. So to be able to use this, you need to go to OpenAI and click on billing. And from here, you can, as you can see, I have $0 in credits, so I'm not going to be able to use it. And you can fill your credits here and then you can use it. And that's it. That's how you can connect your ChatGPT to n8n. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.